In this video, we will guide you through the process of deleting your Exness account. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first things first, start by reaching out to customer support. So go ahead and shoot them a message at support@exness.com from your registered email address. And you need to make sure that you provide all the necessary details in your email, including your account number, support PIN, and explain the reasons behind your decision to move on. Now, remember to do this at least 5 business days before your intended change. Now, after sending your notice, you need to anticipate an email within a maximum of 5 business days. So, this email will detail your termination date and you can expect a verification call to confirm your request. Additionally, you will find information about the rules applicable to your account post-termination in the same email. Now, keep in mind that if you prepare the account to be terminated in less than 5 business days, you can mention this in your termination request as well. However, it's important to note that the decision to accelerate the termination is at the company's discretion. Now, on the day your account bids farewell, expect an email notifying you about the termination. So, this email will also include account statements for all active accounts from the last 30 calendar days. And any funds left in your account should have already been refunded to you. Now, I just want to add that if your remaining funds are below the minimum withdrawal limit, then you need to inform them of an alternative method to send the funds to you. And that's it. That's how you can easily delete your Exness account. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.